Here's a live look from Domenico's on the Wharf. We do have a few little sprinkles on the Linds there. Some light showers have been actively moving through the Monterey Peninsula this morning. We have had some more moderate rain showers near Watsonville and into the Santa Cruz County area. So you can see some of those moderate showers pushing through right now. They are starting to move into the Santa Clara Valley. So if you have that commute on Highway 1 up into San Jose, you're going to be dealing with wet roads in that area. A little bit, probably some pooling in a few areas with that rainwater there. But again, we're going to continue to see these rounds of showers throughout the morning. We will have a little break though this morning where it will calm down a bit. We'll see these widespread rounds of showers kind of calm down as we head into lunchtime, but they will ramp back up around lunchtime, especially with that daytime heating. We're going to see the chance of some thunderstorms develop for our inland location. What's happening is we get that daytime heat or that sun warming up the land. That creates some instability over the land. So we do have that chance of thunderstorms today. This is a very cold air mass. So even out over the water where our waters are only 51 degrees right now, the water is still warmer than this air mass moving through. So some instability out over the water as well, but the better chance of thunderstorms is going to be for our inland locations. That's going to continue to generate throughout the afternoon, but once that sun goes down, we will start to see that risk of thunderstorms and those rounds of showers kind of die down through the evening hours. We'll have yet another little break, and then we're not done yet. That low is still going to be in our area, so it's going to fling another round of showers into our area tomorrow morning, and it's going to be more of a shield, so more widespread light rain showers moving through, and so we're going to continue to see showers tomorrow afternoon as well, and some lingering showers as we head into Thursday. This is kind of what we're expecting as far as rainfall totals. We do expect to see about an inch to about an inch and a half in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Also expecting that for the Santa Lucia range as well. But most locations across the Central Coast will only see about a half an inch to maybe a little less than that. And again, these are rounds of showers, isolated showers. So one part of your city could actually see quite a bit of rainfall total, while another part of your city might not see anything at all. That's just kind of how these rain showers are going to go today. This is not working for me for some reason, but we do have the chance to see a dusting of snow in the Santa Lucia range. That air mass is cold enough for that to occur today. So I am expecting to see a little dusting. So you don't be surprised if you see a little white on those peaks if you're in the Salinas Valley this morning when you look up into the Santa Lucia range. Winds are also going to be picking up. We are going to see those gusty conditions around the immediate coast into the Salinas Valley. Winds again anywhere between 20 to 25 miles per hour this afternoon. And of course, with each individual storm that moves through, it does have the chance for some gusty winds with it, some brief heavy downpours. We also have the chance of some small hail as well. So we're going to see these winds. They will once again pick up, especially in those higher terrain areas. One little change though, we're actually going to have a wind shift happening today. These winds are going to be coming out of the west early on today, but then they'll make that shift coming out of the south later on. So actually the Santa Cruz area will cool down tomorrow with this wind shift, while the Monterey Peninsula and southern portions of the Monterey Bay will actually warm up a bit tomorrow with this wind shift. Again, coming out of the south changes our temperatures in a few locations. That wind is a tricky one there. Temperatures today though, we are going to see those 60s for the Monterey Peninsula. Again, a little bit cooler in the Santa Cruz area. Up in those higher elevations, Santa Cruz Mountains only in those mid 50s today. Those higher elevations at the moment, we are actually seeing at Loma Prieta a temperature of only 31 degrees. So those higher terrain, those higher elevations are going to be on the cool side today. The summit area and Bonnie Doon only in those upper 40s. We're going to see those upper 50s from Hollister and to Gilroy, and some low 60s. We do have some 60s in the forecast, but they will be in the Salinas Valley this afternoon. I'll have your 7-day forecast in just a bit here.